I think that if you know a bit Georgian, you also know the number shvidi, which is 7. Now let me teach you an important word and tell you a little bit of history about it. If you know shvidi, it's easy to remember the word mshvidoba, which means peace. Now what is the connection between mshvidoba and 7? Mshvidoba is literally translated like Seven-ness. And if you go back to old Georgian society, we were not always Christians, we were pagans. And in our history, you can find a lot of Borjghali, which has 7 prongs. This was the symbol of the sun and the life, and still you will find it like our symbol. For sports, for rugby, for money, for our flight company, and it's just everywhere. People have only tattoos about it, and it's not just about Georgia, but it is in general quite popular symbol. So it has 7 prongs for a reason. 1 for the sun, 1 for the moon, for Mercury, Mars, Venus, Saturn, and Jupiter. And it is representing the whole galaxy within itself, while the concentration is on the center. And still there are a lot of different opinions about it, and researchers are still having discussions, but this is the fact that Borjghali has 7 prongs, and 7 in general is a very important number in spirituality. So you can think that peace is the whole world, the whole galaxy in a harmony, in a balance. So from today, you can associate the word mshvidoba, peace, and mshvidi, which is peaceful, to the number shvidi.